Jex Barista Institute, Dubai Arubaraha, Baba Lumaya Supermarket. Yeah, the place where we teach specialty baristas. But now, this year, 2025, now we have registered a new course, that is Roastery. So, anyone want to upskill, maybe you're a barista, or maybe you're a coffee lover, yeah, Jex Barista is ready for you here to upskill you in Roastery. You can come and join us. Yeah, the machine is already here. Yeah, this machine, yes, it looks small, but it has a lot of things as a roaster. So just come and join us, and all the school fees, you can pay it in installments. Or the tuition, you can pay it in installments. And again, and at the end of the course, we give you a tested certificate in Jex Barista Institute, Dubai Arubaraha. The office number is 111 above Almaya Supermarket on the level 1. Thank you. We are waiting for you to come and join us.